Hi viewers and welcome to my channel Slasher Education. So guys, today's our topic belongs to mathematics, in which we are going to study arithmetic progression, which is most often known as arithmetic sequence. Now what is sequence? A sequence is something in which we have integers, we can say integers or maybe sometimes fraction, but we will find a specific pattern or an order in them, which must be represented by the common difference. It means that in the arithmetic progression or arithmetic sequences, we must observe a particular common difference in the sequence. Just like I'm going to write a sequence of 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, and so on. Now in arithmetic sequences, we have terms. Actually, all numbers are terms for us, but we are going throughout the terms. Now if I say that this one is my first term and I represented it by writing a1 is equal to 1, it means that my first term is 1 and my second term, it means a2 is 4, my third term is a3 which is 7, my fourth term is 10, and so on. Okay. Well, to solve it more, first let me clear you what are the infinite series and what are the non-infinite series. If I have a particular value, it means that ended value of a sequence, it means that it is a finite series. Okay, and if I have no limit value, it means it is an infinite series. It has no particular end of the sequence. Now this is my first term, this is second one, this is third, and this is the fourth one, and so on, maybe others. Okay. Now, as I said that there's a particular common difference exists between them, and common difference is represented by D. Common difference. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to subtract the second term from the first term. It means a2 minus a1. Maybe I speak the sentence before it wrong, but just understand it. Second term minus first term. So what is my second term? It is 4. And what is my first term? It is 1 equals to 3. Okay, if I think I'm wrong, let me check once again. Now I'm going to take these two values. So a4 minus a3. What is a4? It is 10 minus, what is a3? This is 7. Again 3. As I said, in arithmetic progression, we will see a particular pattern or an order. It means that if I move from 1 to 4, I need to add plus 3 in it. And if I move from 4 to 7, I must add 3 in it. And if I move 7 to 10, I must add 3. It means that the common difference must be same in the arithmetic progressions. And what is the method to find the common difference? It is represented by D, and I need to subtract the second term with the first term. Okay. So this is, now I have a second method to write this sequence in another form, which is like, it can be said as the general expression. That is A1 plus D, A1 plus 2D, A1 plus 3D, and so on. Now why did I write this? Okay, let me check for this sequence. What is my first term? It is A1, so I write this. Now A1 plus D, what is my common difference? It is 3. And what is my initial, it means first term, it is 1. So 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So this is my second term. And A1 plus 2D, now I need to multiply 2 with the common difference 3. Hence 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Again, A plus 3D, now what is my common difference? It is 3. 3 into 3 is equal to 9, and plus the first term, which is 1, hence it becomes 10. So I can say that this is just like a general form to write this sequence. Okay, and if I plug in the values, I must have a sequence with a particular common difference, with a particular pattern, with a particular order. Okay. Now if I ask in this sequence to find 1, 2, 3, 4, I have 4 terms. Now if they ask me to find the 5th term of it, I have a particular formula for it, which is an a1 plus n minus 1 d. Okay, this is the formula to find any one of the term in the sequence. Okay, n represents the number of the term which I need to find. As I said, I have 4 terms here and I need to find fifth one. So I said that n is equal to 5. So a5 is equal to, what is a1? A1 is 1. 1 plus, what is n? N is 5. So 5 minus 1. And what is d? Just I need to plug in the values. And d is 3. So a5 is equal to 1 plus 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Multiply with 3. a5 is equal to 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So I can use this formula to find any of the term in the sequence. Okay, suppose if we are asked to find the 6th term. Okay, now what is what is n? N is 6 for me now, and I need to plug in value for n is equal to 6. So I'm going to substitute n with 6. So it becomes 6 here. Initial a1, it means initial term is same in this, plus here I substitute 5 for n. Now I'm going to substitute 6 for n, and everything will be remain same. So 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. So here 5 multiplied by 3, 15, and 15 plus 1 is equal to 16. It means that my 6th term will be 16. Again the common difference of 3. So this is the initial working of the arithmetic progression or sequences. Now what about the summation? Summation of series. We have a particular formula for that. And what is that? For summation I represent, let me write this, summation. Okay, for summation I write as capital S and n. N for the limit series. Limit series means the finite series. Okay, and I must have nth value. It means it is perimetered sequence, we can say that. It means it may have a particular ended value. Okay, so as for a finite series, n divided by 2 a1 plus an, and as I said, an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 d. So I can plug in this for this. So Sn is equal to n over 2 a1 plus n minus 1 d. So I have a particular formula for the summation of arithmetic progressions. N divided by 2 a1 plus a1 to a1 plus n minus 1d. Now I'm going to consider another series 1, 4, 7, 10 and 13 up to so on. Okay. Okay. Now we are they ask us to find the sum of 10 terms. Okay. Now we are going to calculate the sum of 10 terms. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 terms, but we need to find the sum of the 10th terms. Now for 10th term, it means that n is equal to 10. Okay, now you just need to plug in the values. So S10, 10 over 2, 2a1, a1 is 1, so 2 multiplied 1 is 2, plus n is equal to 10, so 10 minus 1 is 9. And what is the common difference? Common difference is 3. So I plug in the value d as 3. So S10 is equal to, it becomes 5. 2 plus 3 into 9 is 27. So S10 is equal to 5. It becomes 29. So S10 is equal to, we can multiply here, 5 into 2 and 145. So the sum of it means the summation of arithmetic progression, we have got the answer of 145. You can check this out. We are asked to find the sum of 10 terms, find the value of the 10th term by using this formula, and find the remaining one and add them by using a simple calculator. If you want to do it quickly, you can use this formula for calculating the values. So guys, this was our lecture. I hope you like the video, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Thank you.